Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. What? I mean, if you're dead, you're dead. My head's getting thrown around left and right. I can't. I like the fuzzy.
Yes! Ladies, please contain your orgasms.
You good? A little shaken up? I can't hear you. Speak up. Speak up.
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Sit tight. Can't take you anywhere. God damn it. Stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Oh, there's a car show. Like three cars, yeah. I'm loving the panties too. Whoa. How dare you hit me with my disability? It's wet. Woo! Don't take the piss, Boris. There seems to be some kind of minor road work out here, so tread carefully because it finds double. Oh, yeah. Slow down, 25. I'm going like 60. Yeah, I know, I can't either. There's no way I can go 25. It's stupid. I feel like right now I'm going 25 and I know I'm going 40. Travis. That's kind of fun. And a sharp right. And an immediate left. We gotta slow down because there's cars. There's also a dog. I will not scare the dog. I love dogs. What's a B-A-B-B? No, it's just B-A-B-B. What is Bab? Last time we went right. Remember when the road splits? Left. Not with gravel either, but where we turned around was basically gravel and tarmac. But I was thinking of if we're doing a loop, if we're not just turning around. Alright, he's going home apparently. We're gonna slow down. Like, really slow down. You feel my ass jiggle. Yeah, my ass jiggles. I am not wearing the panties. I am not wearing somebody else's panties. I'm not wearing any panties. What it do, baby? Look at that house over there. Holy shit. I want that house. Yeah. Oh, they're remodeling it. Okay, so here comes the split. We took a right and we turned around where the castle's at. You go straight. It looks like a paved road. I can't see from here. It's gravel, I think. That looks pretty gravelly to me. Oh, that'd be perfect turn for a quad. Alright, we're gonna turn around over here because these guys are gonna think we're following them home. Right here's a flat spot. I'm doing my thing. You're something else, man. You're something else. It is pretty out here. Yeah. The grass is greener out here. She did not like that. I put her through that corner hella hard. She did not, like I was pushing on the forks, like I was doing this, and I was pushing on it. And I could hear her go, da, 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 da. Don't take the piss, Boris. Don't take the piss. Maybe she gotta pee. She probably has to pee or something. Women do that. Yeah, women pee. The nerve. Shaky? Let me see your hands. Oh yeah. That's the... Oh. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I realize that I... Na. Been spending most of my life living in the gangster's paradise. Holla, shot collar, 20-inch blades on the Impala. Holla.
I don't know that one.
You don't know that one?
I don't know.
I didn't know that one.
He's like, I don't know that one.
I'm feeling it though. I keep singing.
Yeah. Oh, now it's hard because I can hear my voice in my head.
Oh yeah, it's terrible.
Hey man, hey, are you doing it? Hey, are you doing it?
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it. We just touched buttholes.
Dummy?
Got you.
Sweet.
I mean, I'll put my lips on her organ if it looks like roast beef.
No, stop. Stop.
I just like it, you know. Just kind of suck on those for a little bit.
It's time to go.
She really does look like a kid on the back. Like she can't even see past your shoulders. Like she's looking to the side at all times. Oh. It's a copper. It's a copper. Get to the chopper. Yeah. Can't let them know my next move. Oh, there's a skate park. I feel like I missed it. I don't know why. I just always missed it. I mean, I have a longboard. Yeah, I know it's not the same. You're a taker or a giver. A 20's a 20. Oh my God, it's a Daytona! It's a Daytona. I don't know. It's in Snapchat. I'm not gonna open it right now. Whoa! What is going on? Have you lost your mind? Dude, a second or two later, he would have ate shit with the car. And I think the cop's turning around to go get him. He saw that. Yeah, the cop's turning around. The cop's turning around. I'll get shit on camera. He's gonna go get him. I'm gonna move to the side so the cop can go around. Yeah, he went to go get his ass. Yeah, baby. My man. Whoa. It's coming in too hot in there. It's going buck 10. The speed limit is 25, fool. But that's pretty. Just don't focus too much on that because there's a lot going on the road. Like that bump right there is massive. There's a hole in the ground. You know what else a 12-inch? 4 of these. Yeah. You'll get better at it. A little more. Oh, you're beautiful. Dog! Yeah, I got you, man. I got you. No worries. No worries. I'm just letting you know. You know? Yeah, you know I'm letting you know. That's what it is. It is what it is. You know what I mean?